How to use Wizz App Beginner tutorial. So Wizz is a social chat app where you meet new people, mostly teens and young adults, through short profiles and instant messaging. It's more about chatting and making friends than posting content. So the basic process on being able to use Wizz app is, of course, first downloading it. You can go ahead to your Google Play Store or App Store, search for the Wizz app. Make sure it is the Wizz app because there is an alternative version of app. So just go ahead and search for Wizz with the app word as well. So once you're inside Wizz app, just go ahead and sign up. You can choose the option that it gives you, and in our case, it's only continue with Google. So if that is the only case, you can go ahead with that. So you're just gonna have to go ahead and put in your basic info like your age, your gender, and username. So make sure most of them are real since it's important for safety and matching. So you can also verify your account after doing the process of signing up using the code they sent you. So again, use your real age and real information. So your profile decides who chats you, so you're gonna have to set up your profile as well. So make a profile photo of yourself, a bio which is short, basically an intro about yourself, and of course your interests. So a little tip is that friendly bios do get more replies. You can start finding people as well once you have reached inside the app. You can be able to see user cards. You can swipe or tap to view profiles, tap, chat, or message to send, of course, messages to other people. Some messages may cost coins as well, depending on app rules, and basically that's how the app would work typically. So it's basically just sending messages to people using coins and boosts, which is optional. The Wiz does have in-app features like these coins. These will allow you to send more messages, boosts as well, which will make your profile appear more visible to other people. So you can earn these coins for free or buy them as well, which is optional. So the only way to stay safe on Wiz and other options you have is to, of course, never share your phone number, address, or passwords, never send money or crypto, and don't click sketchy links as well. So block or report weird behavior. Keep chats respectful since Wiz does have a report and block option, so you can use that as well. But that's pretty much the idea on how the Wiz app works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.